In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix 0x800700c1 error on Windows 11 update. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and simply type Notepad. Click on it. Copy the script which will be posted in the description box below. Okay, so simply copy it. Control C to copy and then Control V or right click and then paste. Now, once you have pasted the script in the notepad, click on the File tab, click on Save As, click on Desktop on the left pane, and then name this as fix.bat. Okay? Fix.bat, do not forget to put the extension .bat or .bat. Save as type, choose all files, and click on Save. Then you will find that in the desktop, right click, and then select Run as Administrator. Okay, that will start the process. So simply wait for the process to be done. Okay, so this process may take a while, but all you have to do is patiently wait for it. And once this is done, just simply type exit or just wait for the process to be done. It will not require you to exit or like that. Just simply wait for it to be done. And then after so, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Just don't forget to restart after this commands have been successfully completed. Okay, so that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.